Sing a little bit more versus guitar. Just a little bit. Here's a little song from my one and only. She's the one I want, yeah, she's the one for me. Ever since I met her, never been lonely. Yeah, she flipped my switch and I was gone. My friends all say I never hang out, no, they never see me anymore. I'm going out with her, there ain't no doubt she's everything I'm looking for. I said I can't help myself, I'm in love with the girl, with the girls, you know, rooftops all over the world now. I can't help myself, I'm in love with the girl, with the girls, you know, rooftops in New York. She's the kind of girl you never get over. Give her all I got, yeah, this is what I told her. You give me crazy love, crazy love. I can't get enough, get enough. She got my t-shirt on, you see me smile, and walks into the kid, just a little check. In the morning light, I stop to check my vision. I can't help myself, I'm in love with the girl, with the girls, we know the rooftops all over the world now. I can't help myself, I'm in love with the girl, with the girls, we know the rooftops all over the world now. Check. Cool. Hey, even a little bit more of this vocal. Never been the one for saying the right things, and I messed up again, broke your heart without even trying, and I blamed it on you, but there is no evidence for my case, no. And I know the truth, I still can't point the blame in my face, no. So I'll grab my coat and see you tomorrow. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do to make it up to you tonight. I'm gonna leave you alone, cause I don't know any other way to try to make you right. So I'll just leave you alone, I'll leave you alone tonight. This is for Sandy. Hurricane Sandy. I'm a little pawn, still in any game. You ignore my advances, and I turn my head and I look away, but I can't control my eyes. Chasing you, it feels like war with all your glances, and I'm just a boy without a clue. You got control, so I'm following you. Oh, but it's alright, it's alright with me, it's alright, it's alright. Shake. Take a little bit more than that if you can. Shake.